Why is a digital legacy plan important? Certainly ease of business transition and succession. I mean, this is, I think, the most important consideration. If you have a partnership or you work for a corporation or whomever you worked with or for, you've accumulated a huge amount of business documents on your computer. What's going to happen to them when you die? Can you plan for the transition of these documents to a successor who's going to handle them, maintain them, or even get rid of them? I want to make sure everyone understands that a digital legacy plan, while it's incredibly important and everyone should have one, is not a legal document. The legal document is the power of attorney that you have, or the executor you have, and I'll get to that in a minute or two. Having a digital legacy plan ensures the continuity of important confidential client and corporate work. If you're an attorney, for example, what happens to all those client files? Or if you're a medical professional, what happens to all your patient files? It's also a way to preserve your personal professional reputation. Heaven knows what could happen to these documents if you haven't provided for their disposition. It also protects whatever intellectual and creative property you have. And if you fail to plan, you're going to leave a mess for others to clean up. I know a woman whose husband died, and when he died, because there was no provision otherwise, she could not access any bank account, any credit cards. When she tried to use her ATM card, their ATM card at the bank refused to make her the transaction. So instead of grieving for her lost husband, she had the burden of sifting through, again, years of accumulated data. Thankfully, one of her sons is an attorney who was able to sort of find his way through this morass. But this can happen if you fail to plan. And it's making it difficult for your loved ones to access important data to fulfill your wishes. Say you want your film collection to go to your favorite nephew, or you want your music collection to go to somebody else. It's difficult for that to happen if you haven't planned for it.